Hello, welcome to PH Maths. Number in focus on 10. 10 is the base of our entire number system, the reason place value works, and the workhorse behind standard form, percentages, and scientific notation. By the end of this video, you'll know what powers of 10 really do, why standard form is just 10 in disguise, and the simple reason humans landed on base 10 in the first place. Quick identity check. 10 is even. 10 is composite. 10 equals 2 times 5. 10 is the base of decimal, which means our entire number system runs on multiples and powers of 10. And 10 equals 2 times 5, the smallest two primes that multiply to a round number. The 2 times the 5 gives 10, an even, clean, easy to divide structure that 9, 11, and 12 simply don't have. Multiples of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. The divisibility test for 10 is the simplest one in the syllabus. Does the number end in 0? Yes, divisible. No, not divisible. That's it. Period. Multiples of 10 are the cleanest numbers to work with, which is why so much arithmetic is built around shifting decimal points up or down by a power of 10. Powers of 10. 10 to the 0 is 1. 10 to the 1 is 10. 10 squared, 100. Cubed, 1,000. To the 4th, 10,000. 5th, 100,000. 6th, 1 million. Each power of 10 just sticks another 0 on the end, and negative powers of 10 go the other way. 10 to the minus 1 is 0.1. 10 to the minus 2 is 0.01. That single rule powers standard form, sig figs, and decimal places. The base of everything. Why does our number system run on 10? Because humans have 10 fingers. That's the actual answer. Mathematicians could just as easily have built everything on base 12 or base 16, and computers run on base 2, but humans counted on their hands first, so 10 gets the prime spot. 10 to the n shifts the decimal point n places to the right. Negative powers shift it to the left. The whole machine runs on that single rule. Key relationships. 10 equals 2 times 5. 10 squared is 100. 10 cubed is 1,000. 10 to the 6th is 1,000,000. 10 to the 0, like any non-zero number to the 0, is 1. Log base 10 of 1,000 equals 3, because 10 to the 3 equals 1,000. And 10 factorial, 10 times 9 times 8 all the way down, equals 3,628,800. Where 10 appears in your exam, standard form, every number in standard form looks like a times 10 to the n, where a is between 1 and 10. Significant figures and decimal places all pivot on powers of 10. Multiplying or dividing by 10 shifts the decimal point. Probability questions sometimes use scales of 10. Out of 10, p equals x over 10. And every percentage is x over 100, which is x times 10 to the minus 2. Where 10 hides, 100 is 10 squared, 1,000 is 10 cubed, 10,000 is 10 to the 4th, 50 is 5 times 10, 20 is 2 times 10, 90 is 9 times 10, 0.1 is 10 to the minus 1, 0.01 is 10 to the minus 2. Every percentage, every decimal shift, every standard form number has a power of 10 quietly doing the work. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE Higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks, one for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.